Hey friends, welcome back in. Can you feel the rolling thunder? Well, I certainly can. It's the Rolling Thunder KY5, their third annual bike and car show.
Yes, and it's coming up, and you definitely don't want to miss this. You want to get it on your calendar. And here to tell us all about it from our Rolling Thunder Chapter 5 are Keith Newsom and Todd Matonich. Thank you so much for coming in, gentlemen. We appreciate it.
Good to see you guys.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, love your outfits. Fantastic. You dressed up for the show. We appreciate it.
These are uniforms.
Yes. Oh,
Yes,
wow.
Yeah, that's right.
Nice.
That's right. These gentlemen and their riders have been at every military function I've attended here over the last 20 years, whether it's a military funeral of honors or a celebration or a great event like you guys are going to put on to raise money for your mission.
Yes.
So let's talk about the mission of the chapter because it's so important.
Okay, so the mission of the chapter is to publicize and educate our public, or publicize and educate the public on the prisoners of war missing in action.
Right.
The 80-something thousand that are still missing in action to this day. We still have 14 from Vietnam that are still missing from Kentucky here.
14 from Kentucky.
Yes.
Wow.
So we definitely hold remembrance ceremonies.
Yes.
Continue to let the families know that we're not giving up.
That's right.
And it's a wonderful honor to be able to be a part of their families, but also to be out in the public
Right.
and notifying these people that of the general public that aren't aware that we have 1,296 total from
Yes.
World War II, Korea, and Vietnam.
It really is a mission of awareness because
Yes.
the general public just can't wrap their minds around those numbers still.
Yeah.
But that's a real number, and
Yes.
we appreciate what you guys are doing.
Yeah, we monitor that number all the time, and we see the number coming down slowly, but
Yeah.
you know, it's that number is constant.
We
Yeah.
want to bring them home.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the third annual Bike and Car Show, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you tell us about this and what folks can expect when they come?
I'll let Keith share a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, hot bikes and hot cars.
All right.
There you go.
Everybody loves
That's a winning ticket, right?
Yeah, it
there.
is.
Yeah. So it's been very successful. We have beautiful cars show up. And one of the enriching things is a lot of the people who bring their vehicles to us do so because of the patriotic
Yes.
implications
Yeah.
and the things that our chapter does and what we represent.
Right. A lot of
And-
synergy with it.
and they
Yeah.
choose
Yeah.
our
Yeah.
car show because of their feelings.
Yes.
And that's good. But
So for folks that haven't attended one before, what kind of cars are they going to see? I mean, we're talking about classics, we're talking about hot rods, and the bikes too. Give us kind of a flavor of what folks can see at this.
Really, to be honest, it's across the board.
Okay.
You're all the way from rebuilt antiques, ones that have been maintained throughout the years. As far as bikes go, it's across the board.
Is
Yeah.
it?
a lot of custom bikes.
A lot of custom bikes, yeah, a lot of custom paint jobs, a lot of
Oh, yes.
custom stereos, you know.
I love that.
So it's quite the variety, so to speak.
And where did the proceeds go for this?
The proceeds actually come back to Rolling Thunder Kentucky 5 for us to be able to maintain our mission.
Okay.
The second part of our mission is to do veteran assistance.
Yes.
That is the number one function that we hold outside of our prisoners of war missing in action. In the state of Kentucky, there's quite a few that get turned our way for us to be able to help them. And it's an honor to do so.
Yeah, absolutely.
It really is.
We appreciate what you all do. Let's do the where and the when for the car and bike show for folks.
March 31st, 9 o'clock in the morning, we'll start. May 31st,
May
sorry.
31st.
Okay.
Yep.
Sorry.
This is a Saturday.
Yes.
Yes.
Losing track of my days.
Yeah.
Well,
So I'm
we all-
already halfway through April, you know.
That's crazy,
Right.
right?
So, yeah, age.
But it's the last day in May.
Last day in May, May 31st, from 9 o'clock in the morning until 3 in the afternoon.
Fantastic. That's awesome. Easy to remember,
At Frederick
too.
Douglass High School.
And
Okay.
you have a Facebook page too we can send folks
Absolutely.
to
Yes.
learn more about the chapter and to learn about how they can take part in this car show and feel good knowing that those proceeds, 100%, are going to the mission. So
Absolutely. We're a 38-year national organization, nonprofit organization.
that's right.
Our local chapter is 11 years old now.
Love it.
So we've been doing this a lot.
Yes, you have. Thank
Well,
you.
We look forward to
appreciate it.
seeing you out there, and I see you often, and gosh, can't tell you how much.
And I'm going to hold you to showing up.
Well,
you said you were showing up.
As a veteran myself, I mean, it means something to all of us. And,
Absolutely.
we want to thank you guys for what you're doing. And for putting together a great time with this car and bike show.
Yeah,
Can't
looking
wait to
forward
see
to
it.
it.
Absolutely.
Looking for my Camaro. Maybe I'll find it.
I rock Z.
There we
Yep.
go.
Oh gosh.
And just a shout out too, real quick, May 10th is our next honor flight.
Okay.
At Bluegrass Airport
Yeah.
too.
You guys
We're
are
always there for the
always a
send
part
off
of
and
that, too.
the welcome home. So.
That's for sure.
That's
yeah,
great.
I've been a part of a few of those as well, and they are day-changing,
Yes.
life-changing events.
Yes, they are.
Absolutely.
Taking our
Very
events to
well
DC
said.
and
That's
back.
right.
Thank you, guys. Good
Thank
to see
you.
Thanks for
Thank
coming
you.
by.
Back with more. Stick around.